Hey kids, welcome to Lesson 1, Buttons and Events, Part 5, playing with different event types. If you haven't yet, you should experiment with the different event types with your on-event blocks. The ones that will work best here are mouse-related ones. These include click, mouse move, mouse down, mouse up, mouse over. There are some events that will capture keystrokes from the keyboard. These are interesting, but they do not work easily with buttons. We're just going to stick to mouse events for now and get to the keys a little later. Be sure to experiment with each one of these that start with mouse. Once you've played a little bit, click finish to move on. This lesson, really what we're doing is we're exploring this type box right here. So if I go down here, currently I have click selected. That means every time I hit run and hit click, the turtle will move forward 10. So that's what that is doing right now. I can experiment with some other ones. Mouse move. So if I hit reset, run, every time I move over the click me, it'll move. Let's hit reset. Let's slow this down a little so you can see it. So every time I come over here, no matter what, I move over it, it moves. That one's going to be a little different than mouse over. So this means that every time it's just over it, it's going to move. But I have to take the mouse off of it and move it back over. A little different there. One I can hover it, the other one I can't. Mouse down and mouse up. Those are pretty related to click, but they do different things. So on mouse down, this would be a game if I have to maybe grab something, that would be a mouse down feature. And a mouse up feature would be to let it go. So those are pretty helpful. I'm sure we're going to need those when we start our application. The key up and key down will work. The real thing that you have to do there, once you hit run, you have to enable this by hitting click, and then you can go to your keyboard, and by hitting the up arrow, it will actually move. So there isn't too much, it just needs an event trigger to happen. I think that really covers all of the mouse ones there. I would highly recommend for you to explore around and play around a little more. And then I will see you all in the next lesson. Good job, kids.